Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the Aero 360 Pure by Unibond. This is a more household item, bit of a change for me. I've got a wardrobe that has the very thinnest side of it is to an outside wall, and right at the top this time of year it gets so cold. Where you'd normally have your cornicing up there, it gets so cold up there that it actually becomes damp and then it runs down the wall inside. And I don't get it anywhere else in the house. It's just in this built-in double cupboard in the back, and I thought this might be the answer to keep that under control. I used to have a dehumidifier a long time ago, a proper one, which is like a fridge, and it has quite a big reservoir, and I used to have that on all the time. But that was a Mitsubishi one I had years ago. But this is much cheaper than that, and you can just buy a cartridge or whatever you want to call it for these things when you need it. Much cheaper. This was on Amazon for about £6, this box. So I thought, well, for that price it's worth having a go. It says up to 20 meters squared, and you do get one of the tablets with the plastic outer, so it's quite good value because they're quite a lot. Especially if you want the flavoured ones, just different scented ones with oils in. So let's just have a look around the box. You may wish to pause on any of that. There we go. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so I mean, if you've got a big house, this will not be the answer. You'd need more than one of these. I say for a cupboard, like my situation, I'm reckoning this might be alright. Probably don't think you can use the water like you can in the dehumidifier afterwards, because it obviously melts this tablet thing, whatever it is. It's quite heavy, actually. You can also get different flavours. As I said, this is the standard one that you get with it. I've also opted to buy some of these because these were about £8, I think they were. Or was it cheaper than that? They were on offer anyway on Amazon. So I thought I'd buy, because these are a lot more of the flavour in. I thought it'd be quite nice to hopefully sweeten up my old wardrobe at the back. So you get two in these. But I've seen some people on Amazon selling these for about £12 or £15 just for these two. So I'll say at the moment, Amazon, the actual Amazon seller, not anyone else, is the cheapest at the moment to get these. Well, it looks relatively straightforward. Well, this appears to go on the outside. Well, maybe this bit goes over first before that other bit goes in, maybe. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, okay. Ah, there we are, it comes down a bit more. Okay. There we go. Right, so there it is. I mean, when it's all fitted together, it's reasonably strong. As for dimensions, let's have a quick look at this. So I'd say roughly it's about 24 centimeters high, and I would say it was about 19, possibly a little bit more, maybe about 22 centimeters wide at its widest point. Take it there. The bottom is 16 by 10 at the bottom. So once you've made it up like this, it's just a question of opening here and putting in your disc. Now, does it smell of anything? Ugh! It smells of chemicals, doesn't it? Ugh! Weird smelling thing. Okay. Which way round does it go then? This way? And there we go. I can see now I fitted a bit wrong here on the outside. That's why it didn't go down properly. So that didn't go in. Right, I think that's a bit better now. Now that bit's out. It's a little bit on the awkward side just to get it all together. Right, there we go. So as far as I can see now. Oh, there we are. So I shall pop this in my cupboard and see how we get on. So let's see, I think it said on here how it works. How does it work? The Aero 360 Pure device works by using one Aero 360 Pure tab, which lasts 1 to 3 months in a 20 meter squared room. That's a long time. The Aero Pure is effective in combating bad smells and the development of dust mites and mould by absorbing excess moisture from the air. This excess moisture is then converted into a salty solution which collects in the tank device. Unibond moisture absorber uses a natural process which does not need a source energy, no batteries or electricity, and as a consequence creates no noise. The system is also environmentally friendly and convenient as there are no consumed bags or cartridges to dispose of. Yeah, but what's the fluid that's left? What's that? What's it say? Do not allow to come into contact with metal surfaces. What's it say here? Press the button to open. Open the refill pack, avoiding any skin contact. Oh, crikey. Place the tab on the axle of the device with the blue side facing downwards. Right, it does seem that there is only one way to do it anyway, that. To empty, open the spout and pour the salty solution in the toilet. Spout? Well, I suppose you could call... Which side do they call a spout? No, the other side they call a spout. So this one, the harder to open one, the one I can't now open. Alright, that's how you pour it out apparently. So you don't have to disassemble it really once you've built it all up, which doesn't take more than a few seconds anyway. Well, there we are. So I hope this may be of some interest to somebody. I just thought I'd pop it on my unboxing videos just so you can actually see the thing rather than the adverts where it's all glossy. I didn't realise it lasted that long. I thought it would be a... If this was my Mitsubishi system, it would have filled that up in overnight. So it's not in the same league, but no, we'll wait and see. I mean, you know, if it goes into an excessively moist environment, I imagine it might not last as long. Apparently it's 40% more efficient compared to Henkel's standard system, whatever that is. Why is there too much moisture? 12 litres of water is in the air is the average daily quantity produced by a typical family due to daily activities such as cooking, taking a shower or bath and gas heating. If the moisture is trapped in the air and cannot escape, it will condense. Well, I always open my doors and windows and have a little blow through when I first get up, and then close it all up again. That's the best thing to do. What are the consequences? You know what the consequences? Did you know that 1 out of 3 people surveyed are concerned about the effects of damp on their health? Well, it's pretty damp. I don't know if this would be the answer if you've got like black damp at the sides of your walls, but it'd be worth a try for the price. So I've just got a very, very small area to contend with in this house. Although the windows do get quite a bit of moisture on them overnight. If it goes below freezing, that is. And then I just use a squeegee and a sponge. So that's quite a good dehumidifier in itself, the windows. As long as you don't leave the water just to drip down onto your windowsills and rot them. So anyway, I thought I'd share this one with you. So that was the Unibond Aero 360 Pure. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.